Welcome to the future of luxury waterfront living. Welcome to One Marina Gardens. Nestled in the heart of Singapore's upcoming Marina South transformation, this exclusive residence offers an unparalleled blend of prestige, connectivity, and investment potential. Featuring 937 luxurious units, integrated with shops, a restaurant, and a childcare center, and of course, breathtaking panoramic views of the whole Marina estate. First, let's look at the location. Marina Bay is the crown jewel of Singapore's urban landscape, a world-class waterfront district that embodies the city's vision for a dynamic live-work-play environment. Home to global financial institutions, luxury hotels, fine dining, and entertainment hotspots, Marina Bay is where business meets leisure and where your home becomes part of an iconic skyline. Secondly, the connectivity. Seamlessly connected, One Marina Gardens is just a stone throw away from the upcoming Marina South MRT, linking 4 MRT lines, North-South, Circle, Thomson East Coast, and Downtown lines. With the vision of a 10 minutes neighborhood, moving around this new vibrant township will be effortless. And also, whether you're heading to Orchard Road, Raffles Place, or Changi Airport, connectivity has never been easier. With the Marina South and Greater Southern Waterfront projects and continued enhancements to the area, the location is poised for even greater growth. URA's master plan envisions more new homes and amenities, community nodes, enhanced connections, and sustainable urban living, making this district even more desirable for residents and investors alike. As one of the most coveted addresses in Singapore, Marina Bay properties have consistently shown strong investment demand. Developed by the renowned developer Kingsford Development, One Marina Gardens offers a strong investment opportunity. As Marina South transforms into a vibrant mixed-use district, rental resilience is reinforced by its prime location, connectivity, and proximity to Grade A offices, lifestyle destinations, and key attractions. A world-class address that ensures lasting value. For families, One Marina Gardens offers an exceptional living experience. Spacious homes allow for comfortable family living, and being next to green spaces like Gardens by the Bay ensures children can enjoy nature and outdoor activities. The development also boasts a family-friendly community with a focus on security, tranquility, and convenience, providing a perfect environment for raising children. With more exciting plans in line for Singapore's next prime township, owning a home in One Marina Gardens is not just about luxury. It's about securing a valuable asset for the future. Do you know how affordable it is to own your dream home in One Marina Gardens? Contact your preferred OrangeTee consultants now.